Three Rivers Archery, your longbow and recurve experts.
Hi,
I'm Johnathan Karch with Three Rivers Archery. I'm here today with you with two of my girls, my Maggie and Alexa here. We are going to be talking today about the new Two Bros Bows bow kit. There's two different ones that come with it. There's one like this, which is the bow and arrows and a target, and then there's another one that includes a quiver. The one that we have here is Maggie's favorite, I believe, the unicorn, right? This one's your favorite?
Yeah.
All right. And Alexa, which one's your favorite?
The peacock.
The peacock. It also comes in a camo, a flame, a flower, a galaxy, and a pink. So lots of options there to really be able to pair it with your kid this Christmas. So my girls love unboxing videos, so I thought it'd be fun for them to do one for Three Rivers Archery. So here we go, girls. We've got the box. This is how people will get it when it comes to them. Great and perfect for wrapping up, putting under the Christmas tree. Alexa noticed on here, what do we know about the box?
It was made in the USA.
It was made in the U.S., and what else about it?
6 ages and up.
Ages 6 and up, and it is
recyclable.
Recyclable, 100% recyclable. And all right, so let's. And what else, Maggie?
The two brothers made it.
Yep, by Two Brothers Bows. Okay, so let's open it up. We got some tabs here, girls. Let's pop those. Maggie, you get that one? Okay. And then we'll slide it down. Hang on. We'll slide it down here. And, Daddy ripped it.
I can't do this.
Okay, so we popped it open there. Let's see what we have here. We have our bow.
This is the unicorn one.
Yeah, this is the unicorn wrap we have on it. It has a nice foam grip on it. That way it fits hands. Let's see your left hand, because you're right-handed. Yeah, very comfortable, huh? Okay. Can you pull it back but not let it go? Okay, good. Yeah, so it's real lightweight. Maggie here is 6 years old, so it's a great age for her and up. Alexa, you want to try it? All right, hold it with that one. Pull it back, but don't let it go. All the way to your cheek. Very good. All right. Well, good. Let's see what we have in there. It's a real sturdy bow. Oh, and a sturdy kid. We got a simple string here, but works very well. Like I said, the foam grip. And let's take a look at the arrows here. So we got 2 arrows. I'll give you the pink one. Alexa,
I get the blue one.
you get the blue one. What do we notice about them, girls?
They look like something in a parade.
Something in a parade. Very good.
They look like they have cloth on them.
Yeah, that is cloth that wraps.
So the arrows, so people don't get hurt?
That's right. Well, it's not to be shot at people. It's only to be shot at targets, but this makes it extra safe, right? It feels pretty comfy, right?
Yeah. And in case someone pokes themselves.
And it is a wood shaft that's on it, a wood dowel for it.
Ooh.
And it's got a little self-knock on the back here, which makes it sit on the string really comfortable. Now, there's no knocking point, but still a great kit where a kid can put on it, and it'll only allow them to pull back to there, so it keeps the bow from getting overextended on it. Yep,
And
you can
it
hold
teaches
And
people
then we
how
got-
to hunt.
Well, it teaches people how to shoot. Yeah, which is great. Like getting kids involved in archery is a lot of fun. Then it comes with a target. So you can use some
I got the
use some tape,
bullseye.
put this up on a backstop so you can shoot at it. And I think we should do that. What do you think, girls? You want to go up on the range and shoot it?
Yeah!
All right, well, let's do that. Let's go to the range.
Yeah.
All right, we're on the range, and Alexa's going to be the first one to shoot. Okay, hold the bow. Now, the biggest thing to note is because there's not a knock point or serving, it's a little bit harder to know where to put the arrow, but just kind of eyeball it. And the kids are either going to want to wrap their fingers above and below so it doesn't slide, or hold on to just the arrow. They can pinch it. Since it's such a loose fit on there, it's going to be okay. It's still going to fly good. All right, get your hand up there. All right, oop. You're going to hold on to the arrow. How are you going to hold it? Okay, like that way. All right, I'm going to help you. All right, draw it all the way back. Let her go. Hey, good shot. All right, Maggie, come on in. We're going to have Maggie shoot now.
The pink one.
With the pink one. All right, I'll hold the arrow. Grab the bow. There you go. I'm going to help you. Get your hand up here. All right, we just kind of eyeball it where we're going to have it. Stand right. Hang on. Stand right. All right, draw her back. Okay, when you're ready. Oh, good job, Maggie. All right, good shooting, kiddo. All right, thanks for watching. I'm Johnny.
And I'm Maggie. And Alexa.
And we thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned a lot about the Two Bros Bows bow kit. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you like the video, please hit that like button. And if you really enjoyed the video, please hit the share button to share with friends and family. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
There we go. Ding that bell. Say it, Megs.
Ding that bell. Ding it